What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Please excuse my voice. I'm currently getting over this cold. Anyway, here's a vacuum video. This time it's from my Hoover Convertible. It's been quite some time since I've shown this one off. So I got this one in 2023 at that garage sale. Model number for this one is U4119. It is from 1992. I love the color with this Hoover. It's like a honey complexion with the caramel base, with the white cream handlebar. I love it. Hope you all do too. With that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and get straight to it. I hope y'all having a great weekend. Not really a lot of updates. Just been trying to get over this cold. I still been going to work. I'm still doing what I gotta do. I hope you all are too. I've always loved these Hoovers, man. They should come back out with these, but they won't. These are like super old. They made these like in the 70s. I think they did some in the 80s. They made some in the 90s. Like I said, this particular brand, this is from 92. So I think the last one they made with this type of style might have been 94. I'm not sure. I don't know everything, man. I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway. Yeah, that's a good one there. That's a real good Hoover. That's a great Hoover. Well, alright squad, y'all know what to do. Come watch the video. If you like the video, like the video. If you feel like subscribing to my channel, feel free. It's your boy Kevin Love and I'm out. Peace.